welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk Tech. So in today's fast-paced world, staying connected, collaborating seamlessly is more critical than ever. So when it comes to Google Workspace, think of it as a comprehensive suite of cloud-based design that is help you to work smarter and also enhance your team collaboration. So what exactly is Google Workspace? Think of it as a comprehensive suite of cloud-based design tools that helps you and your team to collaborate together. It is all the essential applications together in a unified platforms where your team can collaborate in real time. Imagine you are using a Google Doc and you have shared it with your team members. So all of your team members can real-time collaborate and edit the same document without a hassle. With that, next we are going to dive deeper into the core applications of the Google Workspace. So the first application, of course, that every one of us is using is the Gmail. Gmail is the heart of the Google Workspace. More than just an email system, it is a system that has a very powerful tools integrated, such as the Google Docs, spreadsheets, tasks, and also now Google Workspace come with Gemini, where you can draft email with a click. What you need to do is that give a simple prompt that you need to include in the email. We'll draft the email of your choice and simply tweak it into your preference and just insert into the email's body. The next second core application in Google Workspace is the Google Calendar. Google Calendar is not your regular calendar. So with Google Calendar, you can set appointments, schedule meetings, and also even schedule tasks, it is not just a normal to-do list. You can make it even more detailed and break down the tasks that you want to do. And also you can even share your availability with your colleagues, which is really fascinating. So also this makes meeting coordination even easier as well. Now, the third application is the Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud-based tool that is designed to store your data. For you, there is no more need to store your data on your local computer. Whether if your data is being deleted, you cannot even recover. But because of Google Drive, you can access your Google Drive with anywhere with any device if you have the Google Workspace credentials. Furthermore, there are more cloud core applications with Sheets, Google Docs, Google Slides. These are the tools that will help you to design your documents, draft your emails, draft announcements, and also design presentations. But here's the magic. They are built for real-time collaboration. Imagine multiple team members editing the same document at the same time. That's what we call this is a collaboration. But not the least, Google Meet. But every one of us use Google Meet, but what's most important is that in the previous mentioned applications and the Google Meet itself, Gemini is integrated. So what's really nice about Google Meet is a high quality video conferencing tool that is designed exclusively for you. You can connect with your teams and clients face to face across the office or across the globe. So you can do screen sharing. It does include recording features as well. So what makes even more exciting about Google Workspace is that Gemini has been integrated across this platform, which makes even more easier. With Gemini, in Google Sheets, you can summarize the tables. With Docs, you can draft announcements, all the documents that to be created with a simple prompt. And also even on Google Slides, Gemini helps you to build aesthetic and presentable slides, which makes even easier. And also what's most fascinating is that in Google Meet, Gemini helps you to take notes and about the topics that you will discuss during the meeting, and once the meeting ends, it sends you a separate Gemini document that Gemini has taken outlining what are the topics that you have discussed in a clear and concise way. And that's a wrap for this episode about Google Workspace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give the thumbs up. See you next time.